outside by Master Jeric Mitra and Ompong Gabriel. Gandang laban guys, gandang laban. Ompong na naman, kanina Jeric, ngayon Ompong na naman leading.
But Cortez steps in this, holding him at the back.
Ayan, wow! Wow! Gandang laban. Anton Cortez versus Noirel Llosa. Wow! Wow, wow, wow! Grabing pukpukan, battle of first. Ompong Gabriel versus Young Master. Wow! Battle of third, Noirel Llosa, Anton Cortez and Ralph Ramento. Wow! Grabe! Woo! Grabing bakbakan. Ompong Gabriel leading. Young Master Jeric Mitra on second. Wow.
Then going to the
Noirel Llosa, Anton Cortez and Ralph Ramento. Grabing bakbakan to guys. Grabing bakbakan to. Ayan. Woo! Noirel Llosa versus Anton Cortez. Meron pupukan itong dalawa. Wow! Battle of first, battle of third. Wow! Noirel Llosa versus Anton Cortez. Grabe. Outside! Wow! Ito na labanan. Wow! Young Master! La. Downhill. Oop! Ay! Clean pass by Anton Cortez! Grabe! Woo! Clean pass. White flag.
still Ompong Gabriel. Taking the same lane as Jeric Mitra.
Wow, pinakabatang ni apel sa expert Anton Cortez, 16 anyos. Tuwarater na!
Now on the hook section.
Wow.
Ompong still coming back.
Kung sinong mauna, siya yung mag-champion. Anton Cortez on third. Noirel Llosa and Ralph Ramento. Wow. Last lap.
Ompong still had
Wow. Anton Cortez on third. Last lap. Anong gagawin Young Master? Anong gagawin? Hey! Ay! Woo! Ubos yung bantings Young Master. Anton Cortez on third. Noirel Llosa and Ralph Ramento. Ubos ang bantings. Wow, champion Ompong Gabriel. Jeric Mitra on second.
the top position and second Jeric Mitra.
Grabe.
Guys,
Gandang laban guys. Ompong Gabriel versus Jeric Mitra.
what a race. Going on third, yeah.
Anton Cortez on third. Gandang laban guys. Black passan, pero clean pass lahat.
Alright.
Noe Relosa, Ralph Ramento.